and I'm gonna find them.
This is Jason Bourne, the toughest target that you've ever tracked. He's really good at staying alive.
What do you do? Everybody hold on!
Yes. They said you were a giant.
We've got a better chance of survival if we work together. If we stay together, we survive.
There's a curse on us! Begone, Satan!
This movie is unique in that one of my favorite things is coming to Moscow. Fantastical kind of movie with sort of a horror adventure. I'm sure the message is that we all do that in modern life as well. When we do the Atmos version of the 3D, it's just a great experience for me.
Of Her Majesty, the Queen of England, it's a pleasure to meet you all.
I guess the obvious comparison is to Pirates of the Caribbean. They have the swords and the sabers and a lot of drinking. It's amazing, and the sound that goes with it is equally amazing, I believe.